Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your language on Krystal Wallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your language on Krystal Wallet, firstly go ahead and launch open your Krystal Wallet application. Verify your access and the home page of Krystal Wallet will appear on the screen. Click on Delegate icon at the top right corner of the page. You will end up on the settings page of your Krystal Wallet's account. Click on Language option. Choose the language that you prefer and tap on it. This is how you can change your Krystal Wallet's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.